Then the next category is physical plant. And then physical plant for rent, I did 3,500. That may not be your number, guys. So you got to put whatever your number is, because your numbers are going to be different than mine. And then I did property tax, prop tax. Property tax, I did 300. Gas, I did at 100. I know it's going to be more. Electricity, I did at 300. Water, I did 400. Garbage. Depending on if you're renting the home, it's probably included. But if you're not, you got to do your garbage as well. You do 100. Repair and maintenance. That's when things get damaged in the property. You're gonna maybe throw 25 to the side every month. Furniture, any type of furniture, you might throw 25 to the side. I'm not saying you could throw more. You don't have to have a low number, but you'll see why I'm doing this. So my total physical plant is 4,650.